Alright, so today we're looking at this beautiful, beautiful square body Chevrolet. It's got a 6.0 in it, out of an Escalade. It's got the stock 317s on it. Got a little camshaft in it. He's got a set of fresh 243s he wants to put on it, but he's not sure if they did springs, trunnion upgrade. Really don't even know what camshaft is in this thing. So today we're gonna pull a valve cover, inspect the rockers, inspect the springs, and get an idea of what all we need to swap the heads out on this thing for him. We're also gonna be doing an E-fan conversion because it still has a clutch fan on it. And he's wanting to work on the rear end a little bit. Truck is bagged. It's got a Ford 9-inch under it. Currently has a 355 gear ratio in it, and he's considering changing that. So this will be part one of a several video series on this truck. But for now, we're gonna let this thing cool off for a little bit. Then we're gonna pop the hood, yank a valve cover off, look at the springs and the trunnion, see what we need to get to do this. He's also got some slosh tubs he wants us to put in here. This is what we're working with. Figure I'll take the passenger side. Got a little more room over here. It's got a real nice set of factory style engine covers that go on here. They look really nice. I'm gonna pull these out real quick on this passenger side. Bolts down here, it looks like. Try to pull that off there now. Now we got somewhere. Alright, so pretty much the gist here is if we pull these valve covers off and there's not a trunnion upgrade or some big lift springs in it, we're not going to assume that it has a small camshaft. We're going to assume it's got a big camshaft, since we do not know what cam is in it. Now, we pull these valve covers off and it doesn't have springs and a trunnion upgrade. We're going to quote the customer springs and a trunnion upgrade when we do the head install. Coil packs should be ready to come off, which they are. Now we'll pull this valve cover off. So your stock beehive springs are going to be good for a 560 lift. Do recommend replacing them though, because high mileage springs have a higher chance of breaking. Valve covers off. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got here. Springs and rockers are stock as a rock. Alright, so we're going to recommend a trunnion upgrade and a set of 660 springs. Now the 660 springs could be overkill, but I'd rather go over and him have enough range in a spring than him being under and us risking breaking a spring if he gets in this thing and goes wide open throttle on it. So we've already talked to the customer about this. He was fine with dropping the truck off, letting it cool off, and us pulling a valve cover and seeing what's in it. So now we're going to put it back together and we're going to touch base with him and see what route he wants to go. Guys, we're super excited to do the head swap on this rig. Get this thing a little more airflow and a little more power. You know, these 6 liters absolutely love a set of 243s. So we're going to get him fixed up with that and get the E-fans on it. So you guys be looking out for a longer episode on this truck of us wrenching on it and doing a few things to it, addressing a few problems that the guys found. Not necessarily problems, but things that we would have done differently. Things that need to be done differently for a build like this. Did discuss with the customer doing a ride along in this truck, seeing how the gears feel, see what gear selection I would recommend for the particular application. So this truck will be coming around. You guys will see more of it. So be on the lookout. This is just the start of our YouTube channel. Got some pretty awesome things in the works. And if you guys got something you want to see done or explained with an LS or an LT, drop us a comment. I'll try my hardest to answer any questions, give any advice. If you're working on a swap, we do a lot of swaps here at 727. Follow us on TikTok and be watching on the YouTube. We've also got a Facebook page that's pretty popular in our area. Alright, we're going to plug these coil packs back up, get these plug wires plugged up, slide that engine cover back on this thing, and let Mr. Corey know he can come get his truck and figure out what he wants to do as far as a trunnion and springs go. In the meantime, if you do follow us on TikTok, you've probably seen the 98 OBS Chevrolet that we LS swapped. Really pretty truck. The truck will be coming back in pretty soon for a set of BTR valve covers and a coil relocate. So you guys be on the lookout for that, because that's going to be sweet. Run these two bolts right here down. Get our heater hoses back in line here. I'll slide this engine cover back on here real quick. Alright, well, if you want to learn how to do a trunnion upgrade, install a set of valve springs, change a set of cylinder heads, do a couple other miscellaneous things, get rid of this ugly clutch fan and do an E-fan conversion, you guys be watching the YouTube for updates on that. Also, if you don't follow the TikTok, it's where we post the majority of our content. Shorter stuff, sweeter stuff. Yeah, if you want to see more in-depth videos like this, man, hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you want to see in the comments so we can bring it to you right here on 727 Motorsports.